At 10goldenfingers.com, certification isn't just a badge, it's a promise of quality. Copper certification is the first step. It confirms that a business is legally registered, has verifiable contact details, and meets the basic requirements to operate. For professionals, awareness of fundamental safety protocols. It's about proving you're legitimate and ready. Silver certification means you've earned your stripes. Businesses must show proof of insurance and licensing, and pass a public reputation check. Professionals need documented experience, intermediate credentials, and proof of continuing education and safety compliance. It's all about trust and transparency. Gold certification is reserved for the elite. We verify financial stability, leadership roles, and industry accolades. Professionals must pass extensive background checks, legal compliance, contribute to the field through mentoring or speaking, and maintain an impeccable safety record. This tier recognizes true mastery. Each tier builds on the last, offering clients a clear path to trusted, verified service providers. Preferred certification: copper, silver, gold. Property owners can choose their preferred certification level, and the pros with higher tier badges get matched first. Stand out. Get noticed. Win more jobs with gold.